There's Con. Chewing his hay. Hey, handsome. Con. Hey, big boy. He's like, nah, I'm just going to ignore you. And he is a big horse. Like, really big. He was a good boy, though. There you are, good boy. He's a good boy. You're very handsome. I know your eye looks very scared. Don't be scared. My ponies are very nice. They are. Is that good? Is that good? Well, you look relaxed. Only been here 10 minutes. All right? All right, buddy. I'm going to get you some water and I'll get your dinner. All right? Con. You're a good boy. You know your name. Okay, handsome.